Hello guys, welcome back again. Before I fast forward this video, the operations, I need to mention one tool that you need to know, which is trim convert tool. You remember on this surface we have projected these two curves in the previous video. So I'm going to be using this one. I'm gonna divide this surface first. Right now I have look at the CVs here on the surface and the other one. There are same CV layout. They have same CV layouts, but there are two surfaces right now. So, but I want this CV layout to be right on the surface edge boundary. So how do I do that? Let's untrim this surface that we divided like 2 seconds ago, and there is a tool for that, which is trim convert tool. Right next to untrim tool here there is trim convert, and selecting it and clicking once, and the area that need to be converted, it works like it. You have to have 4 boundaries. In this case, this curve on surface first boundary, the other curve on surface second boundary, the third and the fourth. Not less than 4, not more than 4. Exactly the 4. So I go like convert. Right now I have my CV layouts right on the edges, and then I if I don't do revert, I pick nothing, it deletes rest of the surface, and let's make it visible the other ones, and this is what we got right now. So they are still connected, not on this part, but it's not a problem for us right now. We can I guess play with these around, or basically align. No. Yeah. Okay. Now everything's fine. So like from now on I can move this part of the surface, and before doing it, so need to delete the construction history and shape these areas, like I don't know, maybe extend back this part of this surface. I don't know, it depends how your design intention is. So this is how trim convert works, and from now on just have some cup of coffee, cup of tea, I don't know, however you like, lay down and just watch and enjoy the rest of the video. So guys, I've begun to filleting these edges. As you can see, there are positional continuity problem here, but just be loose with it. We can solve it, but we are not gonna spend too much time about solving these G0 and G2 continuity problems. So let's delete the locators and take a look at what we got. Okay, we're gonna have one clean Y transition here, and I didn't like this edge, so let's see what we can do with it. I don't know. I have created a curve and aligning these. Query edit. I don't know how would it be like if we have project. Oops, sorry. Before trimming, we need to delete the construction history. Yeah, this is much better. And since we filleted this surface, we need to extend the fillet and then intersect this fillet and this surface and trim these guys to have positional. Okay, let's give it a fillet here right now. 20. Okay, about filleting. I did this small fillet before than here because when you pick multiple surfaces at the same time while using fillet tool, there need to be at least tangency to select this surfaces. So I pick this, you see the yellow, and needs to be a fillet to pick the all boundaries at the same time. Like, let's undo this one. Imagine like that's why I put a blend here in the previous one, and let's first intersect this edges and trim. Okay, like how can I explain? Let's delete this blend and untrim these two surfaces and this one as well. Okay, if I select this surface, I want this there is a fillet here, I want a fillet between them. Like when I did this, you see it goes really wide. In order to avoid this, I need a fillet between these two surfaces before I put a fillet between these. Let's make one here. Make two spans, build. Okay, I need to extend this fillet and intersect to have clean position continuity here all across the edge. Right now I can put a fillet between them. About filleting, we in the next episodes we will be deep diving in as a detail, but for now this is just fine. Okay, these are G1, G2 didn't happen here, but it's just cool. Let's delete the locators and see what we got so far. It's going somewhere, isn't it? And for the last video, I'm going to be creating a simple Y transaction here and explaining how. But again, it's just coming up to this part. I mean, up to this positional boundaries, this kind of box modeling is really great for this level. You don't need to worry about the filletings. Just closed intersections, clean intersections will be just fine for this part of the beginner tutorial. So I am just creating these fillets to have much more pleasant looking. But so far, if actually in the beginning I aimed that you will end up some kind of close finishing surfaces like what I have here. If you are getting closer to this type of surface modeling, is just fine for now, and we will be upgrading our skills in the next episodes. So try to understand and experiment so far, and this is what we get in the end. For the next video, I'm going to be filleting these areas to have smoother transitions. But by far we have some tasty surfaces actually. Yeah, this is it so far. It's just pretty basics, and see you on the next video. Cheers, bye bye.